Continuing the theme here, strong winds caused scaffolding to collapse at the Cross office building in Augusta. An image from Maine Capitol Police showing that scaffolding pulling away from the building and on a slant. Authorities asking residents to stay away from the area at this time. Augusta Fire Department recommending those who can stay at home, please do so. Facebook post, Augusta Fire and Rescue says it's dangerous to be out in the storm. If your power goes out, please check with your neighbors to make sure everybody's okay. Residents are being asked to contact the police department or fire department if they need emergency assistance.